Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sarah. Today we're going to be talking about some awesome deals at Walgreens starting this Sunday, September 27th. I'm going to jump right into these deals, but first I just wanted to say I'm going to try to break this down. So if you are a beginner, stay tuned. This is a good place for you to be. I do think Walgreens is a great place to start couponing if you're looking to coupon at a drugstore, because most people get the same coupons. The deals are pretty straightforward. Yes, they have register rewards. Some things can be a little bit tricky with that, but I'm going to break it all down for you. It should be pretty straightforward and you can jump right into this. They have coupons on their app that you can use. So stay tuned. If you are just getting started and you feel a little bit overwhelmed, this is a good place to be. One thing I wanted to mention, I like to just throw in other little tidbits of information because there's so much going on with couponing that's exciting. I want to share little things with you guys here and there. So I know a lot of you are excited about the Nexxus deals that are going on this week. A lot of them end on the 26th. So if you're watching this before the 27th and you're wanting to get in on some of those Nexxus hair product deals, but you don't have paper coupons or you just don't know where to start, I personally recommend going to Target this week. There's a $5 Nexxus coupon on the app. Everyone can get that coupon, and 20% off hair care at Target right now, also on the app. So clip the 20%, clip the $5 coupon. You can walk in there, grab one of their shampoos or conditioners for like $12, and it's gonna be a great deal with that 20% off and the $5 coupon. You don't need the Sunday inserts or anything like that to get that Nexxus deal. So that's one that I really recommend if you don't like to do the paper coupons and you want to get that product this week. If you are wanting to grab those Sunday inserts this weekend, I really recommend it this week because we are gonna get the P&G inserts, which are always really awesome. You usually get them once a month, and this weekend is the weekend. So I definitely recommend grabbing a couple copies of the Sunday paper this weekend. I personally get my newspapers at Walmart in Florida. Mine are $1.50 each. I think they're $2 in other places, but check, because I think Walmart is usually a pretty good deal on newspapers. Also Dollar Tree, if you can get your hands on some of those, they're usually $1 there, but I know that they go pretty quickly because they only get a few every week. So good weekend for grabbing paper coupons. We're going to talk about a few of them in a minute when we get into the deals. Last thing I want to mention, jumping into it, I always want to mention this at the beginning of my videos. If you are into couponing and you're wanting to save a bunch of money, don't get overwhelmed with trying to get these huge deals, tons of products, tons of savings. If you only want to do a couple deals, do that. Do whatever makes sense for your budget. Just try not to get overwhelmed by the people that have these crazy huge hauls, because not everyone can do that every week. You might not have the right coupons, the right deals in your area. So just try not to kind of get jealous of other people having these crazy huge hauls. Some people are finding a lot of stuff on clearance right now. So just a reminder there. Also, things go wrong sometimes when you're couponing. A coupon might not work the right way. Maybe you learn a lesson, you do better next time. Maybe it's just a computer glitch that happens all the time. So if a coupon doesn't come off, something doesn't work the way it's supposed to, it happens to everyone. Don't get discouraged. A lot of things are gonna go right in your transaction too. So just try to learn from any mistakes you make and move on, because a lot of times it's really small issues. If it's a big issue, maybe customer service can help you, but just try not to get hung up on the little things that go wrong, because it happens to everyone. Jumping into our deals this week, starting September 27th at Walgreens. All right, you guys, so starting off with some food deals, and these are all deals that you can do without any paper coupons. There's digital coupons for all of these. So looking at the Kellogg's cereals, they're going to be $1.99 each. There's going to be a 50-cent off coupon, making them $1.49 a box. That's a pretty good deal. On Ibotta, they do have some rebates for select varieties. So I know the Frosted Flakes with marshmallows is $1 cash back for that one if your store carries that one. There's also additional coupons on coupons.com. Also, the Kellogg's website, they have a rewards program. It's called Kellogg's Family Rewards. If you go on that website, they usually have additional Kellogg's coupons. So if you wanted to get more and do this a bunch of times, you could do that. Or you could just use your one 50-cent off coupon on the app and get just one box of those. The Hershey's snack size is also a great deal this week. It's the treat of the week, so it's on sale for $1.99. There's going to be a $1 off coupon on the app, making them 99 cents. I believe it's just the Kit Kat, because that is the treat of the week and that's what the wording shows. So when you see that digital coupon, you could just double check that, but I'm pretty sure it's only going to include the Kit Kat snack size bags. Next, we have the Nature Valley bars and the Fiber One bars, $1.88 a box, which is a pretty good price for those. But we also have digital coupons right now on the app that are going to continue through next week that are $1 off of 2. There's a separate one for Nature Valley and then a separate one for Fiber One. So you can clip both of those coupons. You could end up getting 2 of the Nature Valley and 2 of the Fiber One. If you want to just use all your digital coupons, $1.38 per box. So that is a really great deal. Next, we have some Dove deodorant. These are right now $2.99 each. I believe that's a sale price, and hopefully that's going to keep going. That's what it's showing online right now. So if we use the $5 off of 4 digital coupon, I believe that's going to show up in our account on Sunday. It's not there yet, but they are showing in the ad that we're going to get one of those. So our total is going to be $11.96 minus that $5 coupon. We're at $6.96 plus tax. That's for 4 deodorants, $1.74 each. But we also have a fetch offer for $1.50 back on each, or 1,500 points. So if you are not on Fetch right now, they have a lot going on. I highly recommend jumping on there. It's really easy to just download the app, make an account, and then if you use that referral code there, YKK57, you're going to get a couple extra dollars when you upload your first receipt. So always use a referral code because it will get you extra money, especially if you're just starting out. So download Fetch, get the $1.50 back on each deodorant. So that's going to end up being a total of 96 cents or 24 cents each. But this Fetch offer is expiring soon. I think it's going to expire on Monday. And they change that up all the time. So check your account, see when it's expiring. But try to do this deal on Sunday if possible, just to make sure that you get that in time. We have another buy 2 get the 3rd free offer, and this time it is on hair care products. They also have an offer buy 2 get the 3rd free on like oral care, toothpaste, that kind of thing. I don't see a whole lot of opportunity to do some good deals there, but with the hair care, I think that there's a few things that we can do that are worthwhile. So first, looking at Suave Professionals for natural hair, specifically the one for natural hair. We got a coupon in the newspaper last Sunday, 9/20, for buy one, get one free on the Suave Professionals for natural hair. So these are right now $5.99 each. If you grab 3 of these, we're going to use one of those buy one, get one coupons. So our total is going to be $11.98 because we are only paying for 2, minus that $5.99 coupon, which is essentially buy one, get one free. You are going to be at $5.99 plus tax for all 3, or $1.99 each. But Ibotta has $1 cash back on each bottle right now. So we would get $3 back for those 3 bottles. You do get cash back for your free items on Ibotta. My referral code is listed right there, doawxmj. If you put that in, that's going to get you some extra money after your first receipt there as well. Ibotta is probably my number 1 cashback app right now. They are great for groceries, occasionally hair care, makeup. Definitely an app that you are going to be using all the time if you are going to get into couponing. So highly recommend downloading this one as well if you are just getting started. This rebate also is probably going to be ending soon, so this is another one I would recommend doing on Sunday if you can. So we are at $5.99 total, but then we submit the $3 back on Ibotta. So we're going to be at about $3 or $1 each for these shampoos. I think that's a pretty good deal. It's not free, but this is a pretty good shampoo, normally $6 that you're getting for $1. So I think it's a pretty good deal. Next, we're going to look at some Shea Moisture. This curl smoothie, I know most stores carry it, but it's not always in stock because it's the cheapest Shea Moisture hair product that you can get. So there is a $5 off 2 coupon that was in the newspaper on 9/20. So if you have one of those laying around, there's not a digital coupon for this, at least not right now. Maybe that will change on Sunday on the Walgreens app. But as of now, there's no digital. So if you have that paper coupon, you can grab 3 of these for $3.39 each. One of them will be free, so our total is going to be $6.78 minus that $5 coupon. We're going to be at $1.78 plus tax for 3 items, or 59 cents each. Definitely upload your receipt to Fetch. I upload all my receipts to Fetch because they'll give you points on everything, but they'll get you a little bit of extra points for Shea Moisture products. So make sure you definitely do it on this deal because you'll get a little bit extra there. Next, we have Nexus Shampoo. So a lot of us have coupons from the newspaper. There's also a couple digital coupons. I personally have a $5 digital off one and a $3 digital, both on my Walgreens account right now. So check your account. I think most people got both of those. So if you don't have any paper coupons, you could definitely look at using those digital coupons. It's going to make your total a little bit different. But ideally, you would use 2 $5 coupons. 1 paper, 1 digital, however you want to do it. These shampoos are $11.99 each. If you have that 25% off coupon that some people are getting, usually when you do like an in-store pickup or a delivered to home order through Walgreens, you're going to get that 25% off coupon. So you could use that in this case. I think this is a situation where it's definitely worth it because it's a higher priced item. But if you don't have that, my breakdown is not including that 25% off coupon. So buy 3, get 1 free. Our total is going to be $23.98 minus 2 of those $5 coupons. We're looking at $13.98 for 3 items, or $4.66 each. Some of us did get a 5,000 point bonus coupon for spending $20 on our Walgreens account. So if you have that offer, look through your coupons, clip that coupon, and that's all you have to do to be able to use that. I think most of us got this one this week. So if you spend $20, you will get 5,000 extra points. In this case, we are spending over $20 just with those 2 shampoos. So this is a great situation where you can use that bonus coupon. So if you include those 5,000 bonus points in your total, we're going to be at $8.98 or $2.99 each. One important thing to mention here, if you are using that coupon, since you need to spend $20, you need to be at that $20 mark paying cash or using register rewards. You cannot use points here. So however you want to do that, if you have a few register rewards lying around, you are going to want to add in a couple filler items, or at least 1 filler item if you're going to use a register reward, because you need something for that reward to attach to. And I know that sounds complicated if you're just getting started. If you're just getting started, you probably don't have a register reward, so you don't even need to worry about this. But if you have one you want to use, it kind of works like a manufacturer coupon, so it has to have an item to attach to. Since we're using 2 of those $5 coupons, those are attaching to the 2 shampoos, so you'd have to grab an extra item to use a register reward. But however you want to do it, if you can just pay cash for that $13.98, that is probably the least complicated way to do it. And then you're going to see those 5,000 bonus points show up on your receipt. Also, Fetch does give extra points for Nexxus products, so make sure you're uploading this receipt to Fetch as well. All right, so they do have an offer for Revlon and Almay this week, $5 register reward when you buy 2 items, and that is most items. You're going to want to look. You can look at the tags in store and see which items are included, but it does include most of their cosmetic items. I think there's very few that they don't include in these type of promotions. I would suggest if you want to do this deal, the best way to do it to kind of get the most bang for your buck here is use some of those 9/13 newspaper Revlon coupons. We had a couple that were $4 off, and it includes just select makeup items. So read the coupon and make sure you're using the right coupon for the right items. But if you have a couple of those $4 coupons, I think that's going to be the best way to go here. Also, if you have that 5,000 point deal, I think that this is also a good situation to use it. So one quick example, if you grabbed 2 of the $10 makeup items, whatever you want to grab, and then you use 2 of those $4 coupons, your total is going to be $16 out of pocket. We'll get back those 5,000 bonus points and then also a $5 register reward. And you can use that on anything on a next purchase. So if you want to do one of these other deals and use that register reward the same day, you can do that. Just make sure you don't use the same register reward if you're trying to get an additional register reward for the same items. So if you wanted to do this Revlon deal twice, just don't use that exact $5 register reward while you're trying to get a new one. That's kind of the only catch there. But on this one, since we're getting those 5,000 bonus points, we're not going to want to use points, and you're not going to want to use a $5 register reward from Revlon. But if you have a register reward from a different deal, you can definitely use that one here. Last thing I have for you guys are these Glade Oil refills. So if you have been getting newspapers for a little while now, you probably remember a few weeks back, we had some coupons for free Glade Oil plugins. They're usually like $2 each, and it was a completely free coupon. And so a lot of us picked up a lot of those plugins, but they did not come with any oil. So I'm sitting on like 4 of those plugins and not a lot of oil to put in them. So this deal here is buy one, get one 50% off. And there's also going to be a $3.75 off coupon on 2 that is digital on the app. So this is another deal that you can do with no paper coupons. You can just use your Walgreens app. So grab 2 of these for a total of $10.49 minus the $3.75 digital coupon. We are looking at $6.74 or $3.37 each. And each means for each 2-pack. So divide that in 2 if you want to look at the price per refill. So I think that's a pretty good deal. I'm sure that $6.99 price point is a little expensive compared to other stores, but when we're looking at buy one get one free plus that $3.75 coupon, I think this is probably a pretty good deal if you're wanting to grab a couple of these to use those plugins that you got for free earlier. I wanted to just really quickly touch on the Fetch app and Ibotta just to clarify and make sure we're all on the same page. If you are starting these apps for the first time, downloading them today, getting started, it's pretty easy to upload your receipts. You take pictures of them on your phone. It's really pretty straightforward. But to actually get those offers, I wanted to clarify on Fetch, you can just go to the homepage and whatever offers are offered to you, you will see there, and you don't have to click on anything, click on a store. You just upload your receipt. It knows the store. It knows the offers. You can always contact customer service if an offer doesn't show up that should be, but it's pretty straightforward on Fetch. On Ibotta, you're going to want to make sure you go into the specific store you're shopping at and click on the offers because they have to be clicked when you upload your receipt to get that offer. So just wanted to clarify there if you are completely, starting these apps. I just wanted to make sure you get those offers and you get that money in your account.
All right, you guys, I hope that was helpful. I hope there was a couple things in there that you plan on doing this week. Definitely a handful of really great deals at Walgreens. If you have not joined my family here, please take the time to subscribe, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Drop me a comment down below if you have something that I didn't mention that is an awesome deal that you want to share with everyone, or you maybe just have a question about something. I share a lot of deals and hauls over on my Instagram, so if you like to be on Instagram, check out all the deals over there, then jump over to my Instagram and join me over there because I love to share things more casually with you guys over there. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I will see you guys in the next one.